Hi and welcome to Filmmaking and Stuff. I'm Chris. I am the creator of this video about a waterfall near Gingri. I like shooting waterfalls and moving water in general. It has some soothing feel, both the visual and the sound of the water. And speeding it down with 50%, shooting it higher so it becomes slow motion, makes it even more pleasurable to watch, because that's something you can't see with your naked eye. I've cranked the colors quite a lot. The water is not really that brown, but I like to play around a little bit with the colors to make it more visually pleasing and interesting. This video is just about 4 minutes long, but it took much longer to create it. I haven't counted all the angles included in this video, but there's a lot, I can tell you. Quite a bunch of clips that didn't make it as well. One needs to change the framing and the clip in order to make it interesting, so you don't fall asleep or go watch something else. Well, you're free to do that, of course, but if not, please leave a thumbs up or write a comment. That's highly appreciated. Water power is really cool, and that's sort of the civilization's engine, at least previously. Before we had any steam engines or electrical power, water power was the power. In the distance you can see a more modern version of a mill. I think it's hydroelectric. Thanks a lot for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.